Alright guys, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where we make drinks simple for everybody. Now this week, I've been looking forward to this week for quite some time, because when I'm not making cocktails, I'm putting on large productions for large groups of people, which is a little dwindling at the moment. But this weekend, one of the events that I've worked on is nominated for an award. And since I'm really excited about this, and the theme of that event was the Emerald City from The Wizard of Oz, we are going to be making four different drinks that are all the color green. So, all right, come on over to the bar and let's get started. All right, the first drink we're going to make is the Midori Sour. All right, to make this now, we are going to add some ice, follow that up with 1 shot of Midori. And now we're going to add 2 shots of sweet and sour mix. We are definitely going to be stirring this drink today because of the next ingredient, Sprite. We definitely do not want this drink to explode out of our shaker. We are now going to chuck in about 1 shot of lime juice. And now we're going to stir this drink for 30 seconds in super speed. We are now going to add some ice into our glasses and pour this beautiful green drink in. Don't they look good? All right, our second cocktail today is the Irish Mojito. We're going to start off by adding a few lime wedges into our shaker. Add some mint, a dash of sugar, and now we muddle. Once we're done muddling, we're going to add some ice, about a shot of lime juice, and follow that up with 1.5 shots of rum. A dash more sugar, and now let's give this drink a shake. Once we're done shaking, we're going to give it about a splash of soda water, or however much you want, and pour this into our martini glass today. And just in case you think it was not green enough, we are going to drizzle in some green Creme De Menthe to really give it a nice green color. So now we've made 2 cocktails. Now we're going to add 2 shots into this party. Let's go. We're going to cool this shot down today with some ice. We're going to add 3/4 of a shot of Midori, follow that up with coconut rum, 3/4 a shot, and pineapple juice, 3/4 a shot, but you can add to taste. Shake it up and pour. This one, super easy. All right, and the last shooter we're going to make is called the Shamrocked Shooter. All right, we're going to add some ice, add about 3/4 of a shot of Midori. We are going to add 3/4 of a shot of whiskey of your choice, and add a bit of Bailey's into this. Give it a shake and pour. This drink is surprisingly delicious. All right, now I'm going to quickly show you a quick bonus drink, a different way to make the Shamrock Shooter. And to make this more fancy, you can try to layer it. Layer Bailey's and whiskey on top of one another and get a really beautiful 3-layered drink. All right, so here we go. We have now created 4 different drinks with just some simple ingredients. For starters, we have the Midori Sour. This bad boy here, nice, amazing green color. That is really nice. It really tastes like melon. We're gonna get a lot of that today because of the liqueurs we were using. The second drink we made was the Irish Mojito. This bad boy has a lot of mint in it. And when you're midway through your day, through your night, through your party, through your award ceremony, and you want to feel like you've just won and got a bit of class, this is where you're at. For our first shooter, we have the Lucky Leprechaun Shot. It's sweet, it's melony, it's delicious. And lastly, we have made 2 different versions of the Shamrocked Shooter. Let's try this out. If you like whiskey and you like Bailey's, you're gonna love this shot. Out of all four of these, I think if I was just enjoying a nice drink on a Saturday night, I'd probably personally lean to the Midori Sour, just because it has a nice balance of flavor. And there we have it, guys. We are ready for St. Patrick's Day next year, or if you have a themed green party with few ingredients, we have made a few amazing drinks. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Saturday night with my Midori Sour. Thanks for coming around to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, and we will see you again next week. Cheers.